Formation of tores. Over areas of granite, fast chemical weathering creates a deep weathering profile beneath the Earth's surface. The presence of joints on granite allows water to penetrate deep below the surface and produce regolith. In a mature weathering profile of granite, spheroidal weathering turns all the rock materials into soil at the top layer. Spheroidal weathering slows down as it gets deeper, because it becomes more difficult for water to make its way down the profile. This results in more and bigger core stones nearer the bedrock. When the overlying materials are removed, the granite core stones are left as tores. Sometimes they may pile up.